你觉得？
So this is right when you enter the cruise. Oh, look at our t-shirts. Oh my god. So here are the elevators. You have to click the floor and it tells you which elevator, K. Oh, this one. You're the best. First meal at the buffet.
就是像我们刚
I'm rooming with Veronica. We just got our luggages. And let's see. Bathroom, closet space. So me and Veronica are exploring the ship. We just unpacked in our room and we decided to work from the top floor, which is, okay, so 18 is for the VIP suite, so we're starting on the 17th floor and working our way down. So this is the view from the 17th floor. So we're still docked, we haven't left yet. We're gonna check out the top floor, the 17th floor. These courts are here. Oh my god. Oh, that's it? Now we're on the other side of floor 17, 17th floor. We're walking along the side of the ship.
That's why it smells like smoke.
Okay. So this is still 17th floor. Top floor where I think there's chairs for tanning. This is the facing towards the inside of the ship, so you can see all the floors. Oh my god. So we were just up there and now we're on the 16th floor. The view here is it's called the Chill Island, which is for the kids area. So it's way more colorful. Okay, so we've just explored 17, 16, and now we're on 15. We're on the 15th floor, and this is us looking in. So we're one of these rooms, like looking inside the ship into the park. There's designer stores all around the bottom floor over there. And so we're passing by Windjammer right now on the 15th floor. We're trying to get to the adult-only hideaway pool. So this is the adult-only area. So it's over there. So it's at the back of the ship. So now we're on the 15th floor, and this is an all-you-can-eat Mexican food place. So I will be here eating tacos with my milkshake. What meat do you want? Great beef. And now we're on the 14th floor for the Aqua Dome, where it's supposed to be a cafe where you can just grab a coffee and rest here inside the shade, and it's really beautiful because of the ceiling. Apparently those windows open too, but they're not open right now. And they do water shows here, and then there's cafes, restaurants. we decided to skip from 15 to 8 because I'm so tired of walking already. So we're on the 8th floor of the ship looking inside. So even these cafes on the side here, right here, cafes in the park are included in our meal plan. So Park Cafe, this one on the 8th floor has got salads, sandwiches, fruits.
Thank you.
Go. Is it soft?
There will be no captain announcement.
This is a bar. You gotta pay for the drinks if you don't have the drink package, but this is where they play live jazz music.
In addition, every single morning we have taped a morning TV show, or we will tape a morning TV show, highlighting all the important information that you need.
So this is included in our meal package, all the food here. We are on the 7th floor, but we accessed it from the 8th floor, took the stairs down. Some merch on board that you can buy. So we came back to the room to change for dinner, and this is my fit. Our group theme is what's it called?
Wide leg.
Our group theme is wide leg pant day.
/pinkish.
/pinkish, but I don't have pink, and Veronica is wearing this brahmi plus wide leg pants in orange. It's a video.
Dude, we gotta go take pictures and play. Allie right now is in what? That look nice.
I started doing them like about a year ago.
那个非常咖啡的那个饮料啊。
Featuring a ping pong ball. Yeah.
First night party for now 10 weeks now, and this is easily the largest.